Okay, so let's create a guardrail configuration from scratch. Again, we have to start at the Guardrails tab and then click Add New Guardrail. This takes you to a page where you can set up your guardrails and also test them out. First, you have to give it a name. I'm going to call this Finance Chatbot since I'll be using my finance policy. You can add a description if you want. Ideally, you want both names and descriptions that tell you where the configuration is used. Once you've named it, you then have to select your detectors. Since this is a customer-facing chatbot, I definitely want injection attack enabled. This catches attempts to manipulate the AI. And I'm also going to be dealing with financial information. So I'll enable my PII detector under the privacy tab so that it catches any personal data that might slip through. Now, I'm also going to enable policy violation and choose the financial policy that I added earlier to the policies tab. This is a policy that I created to make sure that all conversations follow my specific rules. I'm also going to click on need explanation so that we get details on any violations that happen. And apart from that, under moderation, I'm going to enable toxicity detector. I don't want any harmful content going to or from our AI. Now, let me just scroll through and make sure that I've what I need. Injection attack is on, policy violation with financial policy, the PII is on, and the toxicity detector is on. Seems like a solid starting point. So I'm just going to click save since I can edit it whenever I want later as well if I want to add anything else. And now that I've saved it, um, I can go to the dashboard and copy the API code. If I use this guardrail for my API, all the activity will show up on this dashboard. So that's basically how you configure a guardrail. And now it's ready to be attached to any deployment. Thanks.